Hello, welcome to Astronautic for Exploit. This is Dr. Anyashola Ogunele. Critical space applications powered by propellant-based automated collision avoidance and spaceship-to-spaceship communications, characterized by robust commercial government partnership. In modern space missions, characterized by robust commercial government partnerships, the rise of semi-autonomous robotics, reusable launch infrastructure, use of commercial off-the-shelf parts, a dual focus on low Earth orbit commercialization and deep space habitation, propellant-based automated collision avoidance, and spaceship-to-spaceship communications are foundational to modern space safety, preventing catastrophic collisions in Earth's increasingly congested orbits. The propellant-based automated collision avoidance and spaceship-to-spaceship communication are critical systems that empower the spacecraft to autonomously detect threats, coordinate maneuvers, and execute rapid trajectory corrections without waiting for ground intervention. Examples of critical space applications powered by propellant-based automated collision avoidance and spaceship-to-spaceship communication are automated docking and resupply, satellite swarming and precision information flying, in-space servicing, refueling, and debris mitigation, and a host of others. The focus points are as follows: inter-satellite links and applications and use cases. Modern space missions face crowded orbits and high speeds. To stay safe, spacecraft use automated collision avoidance powered by thrusters. They also use spaceship-to-spaceship communication. Spacecraft could frequently employ inter-satellite links in order to communicate directly with one another and relay orbital states. This peer-to-peer network enables swarms or constellations to share real-time telemetry. An artist's impression of the Clear Space One mission is shown in this picture. Applications and use cases are mega constellation traffic management, autonomous formation flying and swarms, on-orbit servicing and active debris removal, decentralized lunar and deep space exploration, human spaceflight proximity operations, deep space traversal, automated docking and resupply, in-space servicing, refueling and debris mitigation, and coordinated collision avoidance. Mega constellation traffic management. Thousands of operational satellites face tens of thousands of potential conjunctions annually. Automated propellant-based avoidance uses inter-satellite links in order to let active satellites negotiate flight paths with one another, preventing simultaneous opposite maneuvers. Space junk problem is illustrated in this picture. Integrated end-of-life deorbit system is shown in this picture. Critical space application example is also high-density constellation management. Use case: large networks of thousands of low Earth orbit satellites, such as Starlink or Kuiper. Application: spacecraft autonomously broadcast their telemetry and future orbital paths to nearby craft. Another application is in autonomous formation flying and swarms. Scientific or commercial satellite swarms, such as NASA's Starlink mission, maintain tight formations. Direct ship-to-ship communication allows swarm to reconfigure dynamically while sharing spatial awareness and adjusting trajectories, ensuring zero intra-swarm collisions. Illustration of space junk is shown in this picture. Autonomous formation flying and swarm use case: synthetic aperture radar, swarms of modular probes, or deep space interferometry clusters. Application: satellites maintain exact relative spacing. Constant communication allows the swarm to share exact positioning data, while the automated propellant-based system seamlessly compensates for atmospheric drag or solar radiation pressure. Artist's illustration of space junk orbiting Earth is shown in this picture. Satellite swarming and precision formation flying. Constellation of microsatellites or CubeSats communicate their exact relative positions in real time. If one satellite adjusts its orbit using propellant thrusters to avoid space debris, it signals the maneuver to adjacent satellites. Enterprise in-space mission profile is shown in this picture. Another critical application is on-orbit servicing and active debris removal. Autonomous chaser spacecraft use close proximity communication and optical tracking to dock with uncooperative targets or dead satellites. Illustration of orbital debris in the Earth's orbit is shown in this picture. On-orbit servicing and active debris removal use case. Automated chaser satellites, capturing dead satellites or docking with space stations. Application is in the chaser communicates with the target to establish synchronization. Artist illustration of astroscale space debris removal system is shown in this picture. Decentralized cislunar and deep space exploration. Spacecraft in distant orbits operate with communication blackouts and latency, which make ground-based trajectory changes impossible to rely on in real time. Spaceship-to-spaceship links allow independent hazard assessments and immediate autonomous thruster firings. CubeSat use of the drag of a solar cell is shown in this picture. Decentralized cislunar and deep space explorations. In environments such as cislunar space, communication delays to Earth are too long for real-time human plotting. Exploration networks rely on autonomous spacecraft negotiating trajectories among themselves. Artist's impression of address J and class space 1 is shown in this picture. Human spaceflight proximity operations. Crew capsules and the International Space Station, the use case. An artist's impression of the removed debris spacecraft is shown in this picture. Deep space traverser use case. Autonomous rovers and crew probes or cargo vessels en route to the Moon or Mars. Application with speed of light communication delays rendering manual ground-based space traffic management impossible. Vehicles must rely entirely on onboard artificial intelligence. Clear Space One mission designed to remove European Space Agency Propellant-1 satellite from space is shown in this picture. In-space servicing. A specialized servicer or chaser spacecraft approaches an active satellite or a piece of non-cooperative debris. Using continuous cross-link communication, active target and the chaser share positional and structural data. Render of a transastral capture back is shown in this picture. Automated docking and resupply. On-crew resupply vessels use local sensors and peer-to-peer data links to transmit telemetry back and forth. The use case is in chasing vehicles propulsion system dynamically biased to match the exact roll, pitch, and yaw. Clear Space One, a technology demonstration, is shown in this picture. Coordinated collision avoidance. Spacecraft continuously broadcast their state to surrounding orbital traffic. Then automated software computes the collision risk based on the mutual communication. A space debris screenshot is shown in this picture. For more information, contact Astronautics for Exploit. You've been listening to Critical Space Application powered by Propellant-Based Automated Collision Avoidance and Spaceship-to-Spaceship Communication by Dr. Ayeshola Ogundele, with a focus point into satellite links and application and use cases. Thank you.